How to load money on the RTD Smart Card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you load money into your RTD Smart Card account. So first of all, loading the money into your RTD Smart Card is a straightforward process, so you can add value to your card in various convenient ways. The first one is visit the RTD website and log into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Go to the section for the managing your smart card account, enter the desired amount, and complete the transaction using a credit or a debit card. At RTD ticket vending machines, find the ticket vending machine at many RTD light rail stations. Insert your smart card into the designated slot and follow the on-screen instructions to add value to your card. These machines accept cash, credit, or debit cards. Go to the RTD sales outlet at different transit stations or RTD ones, inform the staff that you wish to load money into your smart card. Pay with cash, credit, or debit card. Participating retail locations. Some retail stores like King Soopers and Safeway are the part of the RTD Smart Card program. Inform the cashier about the income you want to add into your card and pay the cashier with your preferred payment method. By phone, contact the RTD customer service. Provide your smart card details and the desired amount to add. Complete the transaction using a credit or a debit card. After loading money into your card, it is typically available for the immediate use. However, online transactions may take a bit longer to process, so it is advisable to load your card in advance if your balance is low. Always monitor your balance to ensure that you have sufficient value on your card for your tips. If you encounter any issues loading money into your card or have specific question, RTD customer service is available to assist. So this was all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.